So I am in Seattle right now, and today I want to talk to you guys about the similarities in entrepreneurship and life. They're practically the same thing. Find out in just a few seconds. Let's go. All right, so entrepreneurship and life. If you really think about it, I was thinking about this a couple days ago. I've been in Seattle for a couple days, and I was driving back to the condo that we're staying at, which one of my clients was so generous and so kind to let us borrow while her in-laws, I can't talk, were out of town, so let us borrow it, which is amazing. This view, I did another video you can watch. There's actually bubbles floating around. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Let me see. I don't know if you can see it. That is so weird. Someone's blowing bubbles. Pretty cool. Yeah, so you can check out the other video right there and watch the whole experience there too. There's a little bit of vlog style there, but life and entrepreneurship are the same in a lot of ways. And these are just kind of quick thoughts for you. I won't waste your time with nonsense. This has substance to it, and I want you to kind of approach it in the same sense that you would kind of approach with or handle any other information that you might get on YouTube. Hopefully it's good advice. But so I was driving back to the condo, and the GPS started flipping out. It was telling me to turn left. I turned left. It says, no, you should have gone right. So I turn around and I do the same thing again. Now, the definition of, doing the same thing, expecting different results, insanity, right? So it was like kind of late. We had just gotten food. We went to get tattoos. And so it was just like an exhaustion moment where I was exhausted. I didn't really want to think too hard. I just want to look at the screen, get directions, and get back to the condo. But it didn't quite work out that way. So you had to kind of stop and think about it. Okay, I need to slow down. I need to fix this problem because something's happening that's not working in my favor. What is it, right? And if you really think about it, entrepreneurship has the exact same type of principles that you need to apply. Something's not working. You got to fix it. Well, what's the problem? Get to the root of it. If you think about what the root is, it's easier to figure out a game plan to fix the actual issues, right? Same thing with life. If something's wrong, what do? You find a solution to it. Just like you would in your house. Let's say your bathtub is clogged, or your kitchen sink is messed up, or whatever. You find a plumber, you find someone that can handle, granite stuff and fix the counters, fix the sink. There's a hole in the wall, you patch it up, and then you paint over it. But I'm sure that there's a solution to anything that you have going on in the house. No one's going to tell you, oh, I'm sorry, you're kind of, SOL on that one. And I'm not going to say that because it's YouTube. But so it's the same thing with entrepreneurship. If someone was able to quickly fix and diagnose what's going on with your business, then don't you think that your problems really aren't that unique? It's the same thing with life. Everyone has a clogged toilet from time to time. Everyone's got, hair in the drain from time to time. Everyone's got something that goes wrong from time to time. No one's life is perfect. And if you're watching this, chances are your life isn't perfect either. Now, here's the beauty of it, right? I'm gonna go ahead and focus on this because this looks beautiful over here. Here's the beauty of this though. You have a chance right now to sit down and write out the things that you wish that you could fix or improve is probably the better word, right? What are those things? What are those things in your life that you wish to improve? And just like any other to-do list, I'm not a big fan of to-do lists, but I know they help a lot of people. But the reason I'm asking you to do that now is because when you actually sit down and list out the things that you wish to improve, that's either in your life or in business, whatever it is, look at it so it's not in your mind anymore. You're kind of mind mapping it out, list it out, and then try to find solutions to those things, right? So it's like problem solving 101. Obviously, problem, solution, done. So what do you do if there's hair in the drain that you can't get out? You call a plumber. They come and snake it out. You pay $100, whatever it is. Problem solved. Now, the same thing happens when you're in entrepreneurship. You have a problem. You figure out what the problem is. You pay someone to help you fix it. Problem solved. Let's move on to the next chapter of our lives. Now, the next problem might be a little bit bigger. Hopefully, you're making more money by then. right? Depending on whatever the problem was. Yes, hopefully these people that are going to be helping you fix your problems should help you also improve your income if that's the goal. If it's not the goal, it's a different story. But with that, you might have bigger problems. So it's the same thing in life. I was just thinking about that. I needed to problem solve the directions. The direction of my life, the direction to the condo, just overall direction in general, right? Where are we headed? A really great other entrepreneur named John Whiting. Shout out to Bulletproof John. He's an amazing entrepreneur. He's fantastic. He's brilliant. Anyway, he was saying you can't get to somewhere if you don't know where you're going. There's no way that you can plug in an unknown destination and expect to get there. So think about it. That's my advice to you. Think about how you can solve your life's problems, even if it costs money, even if it doesn't, even if it's just asking a friend or asking for advice or whatever the case is. I encourage you to take out a sheet of paper and write it out and look at it so it's out of your mind. And then, maybe you could order it in level of importance also. Extremely helpful with business. So I encourage you to do that. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about that. I'm happy to help. I'm also going to leave a page for you to go ahead and schedule a call with me if you need some support. I'm happy to help you guys. It's what I do. I love doing it. So just let me know how I can do that. I'll leave a link down below. Schedule that call, and we'll be in touch. And I'm going to go ahead and get back inside because the rain is all over my jacket now. It's freezing, which is just beautiful. So yeah, check out that other video. I'll link that somewhere up here. And I'm going to go ahead and enjoy the rest of Seattle. It's my last day here. So have a great day, guys, and I will see you guys back in California. Take care.